Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you is a Christmas haul. I went to several stores just picking up some things that I wanted and needed, and I went to JoAnn's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, At Home, and Lowe's, and Old Time Pottery, and that is where I went. So let me show you what I found. I'm really excited. They're really cute. So I think we'll start with Old Time Pottery first. I picked this tree skirt up because, like I told you, I'm going to do a candy tree, and I thought this would just be really cute. I love all the sequined like gold and green, and then on that red, it's just going to give it a very whimsical look. And it was $19.99, and I think this is going to be really pretty. And then, I've had my eye on these for a while. I always buy a boy and a girl. And this is the little girl elf. I think she's so cute, and her little ears. And then all the little embellishments that she has. And her little bag with her candy cane. And her little dress and these long legs crack me up. And she was $12.99, and I got her at Old Time Pottery still. Okay, we'll set her right there. And then I had to get her little hubby here. So he is adorable. I just love him. They just look so happy. And he has a little present in his hand, and I just love his scarf. I think it's so pretty. And his little pants are so adorable, and then he has these long legs as well. I just think they are adorable. And he was $12.99 also. So I think they're adorable. Okay, and I guess the next place we will go to is Lowe's. I have been looking for like a little nativity scene. I'm going to put this in my lantern, and I saw this and I love it. It just looks so peaceful and just elegant, I think. I really love this. And you can see it's pretty tall. And it's not marked, but I think it was 22 or $24, but I love it. I just think this is going to be so pretty in my lantern. So I have that. I got that. And then I was in there, and my husband actually found this. It's an extension cord, 12 feet long, and they have it either in the red and white or this, and I like this. I'm going to put this on my candy tree to plug it in. I think this is going to be, it just looks old-timey and cute to me. And then I picked up this ribbon at Lowe's. I love it. I think it's going to be so pretty for my candy tree. And it was $4.98. But I love that. And then I picked this up at Lowe's. That is gorgeous ribbon. I really do love it. It just looks so cold. I love this ribbon. I think this is the prettiest ribbon I've seen in a long time. And it was $4.98 as well. And it has 30 feet on this. And there's 30 feet on this as well. So I think that's a good deal. Then I went to Michael's, and I'm going to do a cloche, and I found this, and I love this. Their glass was on sale, and it just reminded me like of a bell. I love it. But you can DIY your own. I just couldn't find anything tall enough for what I wanted to do. But this was like I think it was like $25, $26, and I got it for 16 something because it was on sale. But it's very tall, and it's wide down here. So I picked that up. And then we will go to, I guess where we will go next is JoAnns. And I found this ribbon in JoAnn's to go on my candy tree, and I think it's really going to be pretty. It was $9.99, but it was 40% off, and there's 30 feet on this, but I just think it's going to give it such a whimsical look and go nicely with all my other ribbon that I have. And then I picked this one up. I just love it. I think it just reminds me of a big thing of candy. And it was $9.99 as well, but it was 40% off. And there's 30 feet on this one. And then I found this blue, and I think it is gorgeous. It's so glittery. They had a nice selection of ribbon, and this was $9.99, but all the ribbon was 40% off. And there's 25 feet on this one. Okay, and then I found this one. This one looks very cold to me, almost like little ice crystals. And it was $9.99 also, and it has 25 feet on this. Okay, so that's what I picked up at JoAnn's. Oh, and then this. This is a stencil. It's not related to Christmas, but I love this pattern, and it was on clearance for $2.47. So I love that. I mean, you need to really check out their clearance sections because they've got some nice things in there. And then I suppose we will go to at home, okay? I picked up these cookie cutters of gingerbread, and they were $4.99. I have a project in mind for these, but I think they're going to be adorable. They're just different sizes of gingerbread. And I liked it because they're copper too, because they're really cute, actually. And then I picked up these lights. It's a 100 LED count light set, and it's battery operated with a timer. And you can also, it's like 6 hours on, 18 hours off. Has the copper wire, which I think gives it such a pretty color. And you can change, it has like an 8-way switch. You can do a timer combo, or you can have them flashing in waves, or just flashing, off flashing, chasing flash, slow flash, twinkle, or steady on. But I like this one. And this was $14.99. Okay, now the last place I went was Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I picked up this mug, and now all of this Christmas is 40% off. This mug, I have a DIY in mind for this, but it's so cute. I love this just quirky little collars, and the snowman. I love snowman. And then it says, let it snow on the back, and it's a large cup, as you can see. And it was $9.99, but like I said, it was 40% off. And then I picked up one of these foam trees, and I don't really remember how much this was. I'm thinking it was like $6 something. And then I saw these lights, and I'm going to use these lights on my candy tree. If you can tell, I'm really excited about this candy tree. But it's multicolor. Normally everything in the house is just a warm white, but on this candy tree, it's going to have warm white lights, and then it's going to have these. And I think they just look like big gumballs to me. So let me see. And they're indoor, outdoor. Now these were $19.99, but they were 40% off. So she gave me one with the 40% off. And then she gave me this one with something else off. One of these only cost me $11. I thought that was pretty good, actually. So, and you can't beat that. And there's 17 feet in these. So I love that. And then I picked up some of this for a project that I have in mind. Just these colored craft foam beads. They were $4.99. And I got those. And then the ribbon again. I'm back to my candy tree. This is just a little wider than the other ones that I had. It was $9.99, but like I said, all this was 40% off. And then this, I love this. It's so pretty. And it was $9.99 as well. And there's 30 feet on this one and 30 feet on the previous one. And then I picked this up for a DIY. I just love that. Just that green and red and silver rope. And there, let's see, it's 30 feet on this, and it was $4.99, okay? So this concludes my Christmas haul. I had so much fun shopping and getting these, and I have so many wonderful ideas to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.